Hello Facebook virtual party friends. Tonight I just want to show you what I have going on in my kitchen. We talk about Pampered Chef products making our work easier and more fun. And I have to tell you, I absolutely experience that every single day in my kitchen. I get inspired to cook because of these great products. So what do we have going here tonight? Okay, there is my beautiful acacia wood cutting board. It's the largest cutting board that Pampered Chef has. Wood is naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and I love the large platform that I can be cutting and doing a lot of different things on. So over here you can see that I'm using the handy scraper. That's really great for picking the produce up off of the cutting board. Tonight I used the Zester, the microplane zester, and I zested the lemon here to add to my wild rice salad. The wild rice was cooked in the quick cooker, and it does it super fast. And I make a big batch and I store it in the freezer in individual 2-cup amounts. I've diced my celery and my red pepper with the beautiful chef's knife. Professional cutlery with a lifetime warranty. Does it get any better than that? And back here, we've got the deep covered baker. And so tonight, what I did is I roasted a chicken. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. And there it is, beautiful and moist. And we'll have that for our dinner. The leftover I'll be able to use in salads or in a chicken sandwich. And then I will take the bones and the skin and I will put them back into the quick cooker with 2 quarts of water and make some most delicious broth for soup tomorrow. And lastly here I've got the stainless steel combination nonstick pan, and this is a skillet, 10-inch skillet with a lid, and I will be sauteing the beautiful Brussels sprouts in there. They'll be so good, and I will season it with freshly ground Himalayan pink salt and peppercorns. So there you have it. Doesn't that look so inviting? And truly, the Pampered Chef products will make your kitchen work easier and so much more fun. So thanks for watching. Check in the comments and I will show you individually what these items are that you can add to your wish list. Thank you.